Oh, whoa, hello. No. Fell on my pants. Hey everyone, it's me, Puppy, and welcome back to my channel. Today we have the June Allure beauty box. I am a bit behind, and I said June, but it is May's beauty box. Don't have June yet. So we're just gonna get right into it because I just want to. So, as usual, we have, pardon me, I gotta move some stuff. We have a beautiful pamphlet, and yeah, that's about it. Just a beautiful pamphlet with all our stuff inside that gives me the prices for everything that you see below when I show you the items. So let's get into it. There's drug facts for one of the items. That's good. Shop like a beauty editor. Oh, just discounts. And oh, tips, if you want to see tips. Okay, let's get right into the first thing. And it's gonna be a little baby boy of Cetaphil Sheer Mineral Face Liquid Sunscreen. I have no use for sunscreen. I'm a ghost. I don't go outside. I only go outside when I walk to the grocery store, and usually I have my head down just reading my phone, or, you know, I'm not really looking up. So, it's just sunscreen. We all know what sunscreen is. We all know it's probably got that sunscreen smell. And it does. It has that sunscreen smell, you know, like coconuts and, I don't know, the beach. I haven't been to the beach in forever. Then again, that would actually require me to go outside, too. So, that's a no. Next item is in this pretty pink packaging, and it is by Wonder Beauty. Site ER Vitamin C Concentrate. Site C Seer. Is that a pun? I don't know, but what is this? Always confusing when products don't put what they actually are on the product. So, Vitamin C Concentrate. This is the model, actor, singer, songwriter of skincare. If it, I don't care if it would have an Instagram bio. Between a lotion and a serum, slightly creamy and 100% a joy to apply. So it's between a lotion and a serum. So I guess you could put it on in lieu of a serum and lotion. But let's just see. Little dab. Oh, I do not like how that smells. Why does it smell like French fries? It is creamy, and it is pretty thick. You can see it's like all on the back of my hand right here. But it just smells like oil. I'm not a fan, but it did absorb. It's not sticky, and it actually is pretty nice in texture. It's just terrible smell. Anyways, next item. Let's see. Let's go for this little box. Augustinus Batter, the Rich Cream, La Creme Hydrate Riche. Oh well, the Rich Cream. So I'm guessing it is a moisturizer. Fancy packaging. So fancy. A little insert. Tiny little squishy tube. And yeah, it's a moisturizing cream. So let's do it on this hand. Just your basic white cream. Thick. It smells pretty neutral, like a spa. It's just a cream. It's a moisturizing cream. There's no fancy special thing about it except that it was in French. So, okay, moving on. We're gonna do, I'm so glad these are back, face sheet mask. Although I do love clay masks more because sheet masks are always a little too... Did that hair just float by? Panda, you shedding? She's asleep. But I do like clay masks more because sheet masks a little too big for my face and they're always so wet. But you can like use the serum if you save it in here, or you have a little container, like a little sample jar. I have 8,000 of them that you can put the serum in there and then keep using it after the sheet mask. But this is a matcha green tea, love matcha, antioxidant sheet mask, moisturizing and rejuvenating. And you do it just like any other sheet mask. But I'm so happy it's matcha. Like my favorite Starbucks drink, this is like a huge tangent, is matcha frappuccino with half a pump of raspberry syrup, a pump of peppermint, whip. And if you want to go for it, get soy milk instead of regular milk. It does not change the flavor, but it is so good. It is not overly sweet. It's just, it's like Christmas, and I think Rhett and Link actually turned me on to that. If you watch Good Mythical Morning, they did like this holiday Starbucks or something like that. And that was like a few years ago. But it's delicious. Just try it, and I'm going to have to get one tomorrow when I go to the store. Okay, next item. Ooh. Okay, Belief Moisturizing Eye Balm. So it's eye balm. Balm, whatever. It's for your eyes. Cool. I'm guessing for under here and here. There's never really a product that goes like on the lid. Oh, whoa, hello. No. Fell on my pants. But it's just a clear balm and smells like paper, which is pretty neutral. So, yeah, cute. Where did that fall on my pants? Oh no, it fell on my shirt. Okay. Next item is going to be this big boy. Propolis Light Ampoule. Ooh, Ampoule is fancy sounding. A lot of fancy sounding stuff this month. But Ampoule makes me like think of like those tiny little, like remember when in the beauty world those little pods were very popular? The little things you like squish. I'll put a picture up because I gotta remember what they're called too. But that's what I think of when I think of an ampoule. Oh yay! We got an up. I swear, I'm 12. Okay, so Ampoule by Corsix. Fancy looking top. And this is okay, what is this? Have you thanked a bee today? Thank the bees. These insects help regulate the natural world in their spare time. Make skincare, Corsix Ampoule, a heavy skin serum. Nice. More of a skin syrup. Oh, well. Bees do make honey, and that's kind of syrupy, so... Oh, it is kind of thick. It is thick. I mean, it even feels thick coming out of here. But let's see. Does this smell like honey? That would be nice. I do like the smell of honey. We'll just put it here. It is thick. If you can see it on my hand. It is cold. Holy crap. No, doesn't smell like anything. Oh, I was really hoping it would smell like honey. That would have been really nice. Or flowers or something. I mean, you're saying thank the bees, but you're not making it more bee-like. Then again, what does a bee smell like? Do you know? Does anyone know? Has anyone sniffed any bees? Yeah, it's a serum. It's got the color of honey. It smells like nothing. Last item. And this pretty black packaging is from Josephine, which is actually my nana's name. And it is a liquid lipstick in Glamorously Healthy. I don't think that's the name. No, Meet Tiffany. With a very, very strange way to spell Tiffany. And this is full size, I'm guessing, and this is really pretty. I actually think we got a packaging similar to this. I don't know if it was the same brand, but this whole ombre effect, very nice. And this looks like a great color. Oh, it's got that weird, let's see if I could do this, the weird kind of lip thing. It's very strange. Ooh, oh, this is a good color. Look at that color. Oh, I kind of want to put it on instead of this bright pink. I'm going to put it on. I will be right back. Okay, so I love my lipstick. I think it works like so well with my pale skin. So cute. But sadly, the smell atrocious. It's not smell good, and it's just kind of a little gritty on the lips. So the texture and smell, 0. Color, big 10. Love it. Not sticky, and the color is just so good. Yay. So I'm definitely very happy with this. I actually really want to look up how much this is, because what if they have other colors? Never mind. I'm not paying $30 for a lipstick. So this is going to be the only one I have from them, unless I get another one in my Allure box. But big props to this. This is good. We always need moisturizer. I always say that. Serum. Someone get back to me about what bees smell like. Do they smell like flowers or honey? I guess I could Google it, but yeah, I don't wanna. Cetaphil. Cetaphil's always good. CeraVe's better, though, so I would go with CeraVe. And a moisturizing cream that we get every single time in both my boxes, but never can have enough moisturizers. Your skin can never be not moisturized enough, especially if you have dry skin. And we have this eye cream, balm, whatever, and the mask. So that was May's Allure box. And if you like this, I do them every month. Might be a little late some months, but extenuating circumstances. Last month I was very sick. So if you like this, please like, share, subscribe. You don't have to, but I would appreciate it. And as always, this is Puppy. Bye.